That's the sound of your taste buds enjoying a fresh brewed cup of coffee. And it tastes like freedom. I know what they told you. Pay attention to the little things, like your new Instagram update, or your perfectly tight skinny jeans. But it isn't the little things that matter in life. It's the big things. Big beers and big cups filled with freshly brewed coffee. Those are the important things in life. But everyone knows that if you don't grind your coffee beans right before you brew them, your cup won't be as fresh. Well, nothing breaks down a bean and allows you to have the best cup of coffee of your life. Better than our patented Hunt Brothers coffee grinder. Freedom. We let the taste buds around the world speak for us. See how we can dazzle yours.